what you do now, now, let go and run and say, shit have to stay. Even if my pocket should run out of money, the both of us still be my money. They hold on, and then now let go. I think they can hold on, and not rock me so. She wants to go to the Martinique and party. Said she wants to go to party, but all I can say is not the fair of my mind. So I'm trying to keep them all out, and them not let go. I keep them all out, and not rock me so. Don't you know I'll forever be your lover? Hold on, strong little girl. You need to be so much in this world. Hold on, and then well, in this your time, in this your movement, poor people struggle. Hold on, poor people struggle. Victory, a victory. Yes, yes, we got to have a victory. Yeah, a victory. Whoa, victory for you and me. The people are suffering, the children are crying. But when someone give us a lot, the pressure is getting harder and much stronger, and the people cannot take it no longer. Oh, a victory for you and me. We got to have a victory to overcome the poverty. So many without a roof over their head, some use cardboards for their bed. 7 times rise and 7 times fall, still we won't wait till our back against the wall. A victory for you and me. We got to have a victory to overcome the poverty. In the midst of time, in the midst of movements, poor people struggle. Poor people struggle. Yeah, a victory for you and me. We got to have a victory to overcome the poverty. So many without a roof over their head, some use cardboards for their bed. 7 times rise and 7 times fall, still we won't wait till our back against the wall. A victory for you and me. We got to have a victory to overcome the poverty. The Father sees and He knows how the road is go. Why they choose to treat us so bad? It seems as if they lost the love they have. Still we got to have a for you and me. Black people struggle. Yeah, black people struggle. Talking about good over evil, my friend. Good over evil again. Yeah, a victory from slavery to colonialism. Now they want to we're talking to Tagway. No way, no day. We got to have oh yeah, now. Seriously.
Hi viewers, my name is Ian Bennett and I am the host of In the Hot Seat. If you like the video you just saw and would like to see more of the same type of video, please click the subscribe button and the like button as we produce videos every Wednesday. Thank you.